Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I know I'm looking a little bit off, putting it mildly, but don't worry, wait. There's a method to my madness. So by pure coincidence, a few days ago, I had these twists. I was running late and I just needed to pin them down, and I was able to create quite a fairly elegant style, I thought. So I thought I'd challenge myself in this video. I have 16 raggedy looking twists, for lack of a better word. And I have a gazillion bobby pins. Probably will be down to one by tomorrow, but let's use them while we can. And then I'm going to set myself a time. So I'm putting it on 5 minutes. I want to see what I'll be able to do with these 16 twists, right? So 16 twists, 5 minutes, and a million, well, less than a million, but a lot of bobby pins. And let's see what we can create. Hopefully this will also be able to show that creating styles out of natural hair does not necessarily have to be very difficult, right? Or maybe I'm speaking a little bit too early, but anyway, please stay tuned. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Oh gosh, what to do. Out of time. Okay, so I went a little bit over 5 minutes. I suppose it didn't count extra, but maybe like 5.5 minutes. But anyway, let's see what we've come up with, if it's wearable. Okay, so what do you guys think of the style? Let me also get a look. Really guys, actually I think I'm onto something. I like what I have going on. I imagine if my twists were a lot less frizzy. I know that they are, what is this? Jumbo twists, and they're not defined at all, like it's loose. But my hair has been in this kind of twist for I think about 8 days now, hence the frizz and so on. But I imagine if somebody had done these loose twists with gel or something like that, or if it was fresher, the hairstyle would be popping even more. But really I like what I'm seeing on the in the mirror. What do you guys think? Is it something to write home about? Am I proving my point that it can be so easy to style natural hair using just 16 twists and a whole bunch of bobby pins? I meant to count how many I put in my hair, but I just lost track of things. But anyway, that's the video for today. I enjoyed doing it. Let me know if you'd be willing to try a similar challenge, for example, starting off on 16 loose twists and seeing what you could get. Or does it instill faith? Maybe I'm being a bit extra, but do you feel more confident now in styling your natural hair? Let me know in the comment box down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, please. That's the only way I know that you like the video. Share the video with whoever you know, please. And then subscribe. Yes, if you're new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, please press subscribe button. Also press the notification bell down below to get notified every time I upload a video. Thanks so much for joining me in this video. Look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.